Good day, everyone. We are the Boss, or the Five of Spades, a group of 6 students ready to teach you a vital skill, PC reformatting using bootable USB. We've created a step-by-step tutorial accompanied by a visual guide, so please sit back and enjoy. I'll start with the initial boot and BIOS setup. Step 1. To begin, make sure your USB is plugged in. Close your laptop and reopen it. Then immediately and repeatedly press or spam the delete key until the BIOS interface appears. Step 2. Once inside the BIOS, go to the boot tab, select your flash drive, and press enter. Then choose Windows Boot Manager to ensure we boot correctly. Step 3. Now, return to the main tab. Scroll down to the system date or time and change both to the current, correct time for your region. Then, this avoids installation conflicts.
The process of getting the Windows installer running and abstracting the basic terms. After editing the date and time, hit enter and select yes to save and exit. The screen will turn black briefly. Wait until the Windows logo appears. And the Windows setup process interface will display itself. Here, you choose your language, time, and currency format, and keyboard input method. Change the settings to your liking and then click the next button. Then, select Install Now. After displaying setup is starting, the Microsoft software license terms will appear. You must select I accept all license terms and then click Next to proceed with the installation.
My part is the most critical, the actual reformatting of the drive. When asked, which type of installation do you want? Choose Custom. This displays all the partitions on your hard drive. To perform a clean reformat, you must select and delete all existing partitions until only one entry remains. Drive 0, unallocated space. This officially wipes your old system.
I guide you through preparing the newly wiped drive for the new system based on our 50-50 rule. Now, select the drive 0 unallocated space and click on New. You'll see the size of the drive in megabytes. To achieve our 50-50 partition, you need to multiply the total size by 0.5. Enter the product as the new size for the first partition, then click Apply. After clicking Apply, the partitions will reappear. Windows automatically creates the necessary system partitions. Next, select and format drive 0, partition 3, and 4 to prepare them for data storage.
I cover the actual installation process in the first screen of the final configuration. Step 9. Now the main Windows setup screen will display itself. This interface shows the status of various installation stages, such as copying Windows files and getting files ready for installation. You must wait until the progress bar is fully completed. This can take several minutes. Step 10. As the file copying is done, your laptop screen will show the Windows Out-of-Box Experience or OOBE. The setup begins by asking you to confirm your region. Select your country or region from the list, then click Yes to continue. Next, you'll choose your keyboard layout, skipping the second layout if you don't need it.
My role is to finalize the account setup and privacy settings, giving you control of your new PC. Step 11. You'll reach the network connection step. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. If you're offline, choose I don't have internet and continue with limited setup. Step 12. Next is Microsoft account sign in. If you choose to set up local account or if you are offline, you'll proceed to the Step 13. You will be guided through several privacy settings, location, diagnostic, and data. Review each options carefully and the PIN creation. But in our case, we will skip adding a password or PIN. Toggle them on or off based on your preference. Then click next to continue. Step 14. Finally, select how you plan to use your device to skip this step. After a few moments of system preparation, your desktop will appear. The reformat is complete.